AIXPI. It's a solar panel security light with the PIR sensor with a larger solar panel of 195 plus 95 in diameter, 240 LEDs, a 3000 milliamp battery capacity, and a 1600 lumens. Set up your unit and you're ready to go. The unit is manually controlled. We have here is the product on temporarily to the workstation that there is a clip you press to lift off. On the unit, you have 4 screw holes to mount permanently by taking off the swivel bracket. It's adjustable, the lights in all angles, 90 degrees, and swivels 300. And the adjustment of the solar panel is straight up and back to the bracket's wall end. You're able to tilt it down for further adjustment of your solar panel forward. We're going to turn the light on by the black button over here, and you see the light lit up. We're going to test the unit out by covering the solar panel and the sensor and turn the light on. We're going to shut the unit off, and we're going to hang up our bracket by putting in 2 screws. And we're going to put this outside and show you what it's about in the evening hours. We're going to slip it onto the bracket and give you a demonstration of what it's supposed to do. 160-degree angle for the PIR sensor and different modes. Set once, leave up, off you go. Everything you need to know about your product is in the owner's manual or online. When the solar panel detects low light of 20 lumens or less and motion with the PIR sensor for 20 to 30 seconds of triggering time. So when it gets dark, the PIR sensor activates, and if it detects motion, it'll light up for 20 to 30 seconds and then re-trigger on standby. The maximum distance of the unit is up to 50 feet, 160-degree angle, depending on the pitch and roll you put to the unit will detect human. This unit is not for high traffic areas. It's for a backyard, a front yard, to light up the area so you know when walking into the sensor zone, it lights up for your walking needs. For anywhere that you do not have electricity, you want to put a battery operated solar panel security light. This takes all day to fully charge the battery and run all night. Check online for further details. Find a location you like to hang up and lock down. It'll take you a couple of seconds to do. Make sure the clip is facing to the floor. And allow the unit to charge in the sun for a full day or 2. You could adjust the angle and how things are. And what we'll do, we'll come back later. And when we walk into the evening hours of the sensor, the light will light up. And we'll show you what this product is about in the low evening hours. It's the evening hours, and we let the lights charge, and we're going to turn it on. After 20 full seconds to 30 seconds, the light will shut off. And what we're going to do is step to the side and allow it to reset. As it resets, it slowly fades down. 1600 lumens, 160 degrees. It detects motion. For 30 seconds, it'll stay lit and fade down. As it fades down, you simply detects motion. Immediately afterwards or later on, the light stays off 100% to 0, detects motion, lights up 100%, 1600 lumens. Great for areas that have no electricity that you need to hook up a light, solar power. It is a 3000 milliamp battery and it'll run for hours on end. If we shut the light off to the next setting, it is in the off position and on position. So I hope you enjoy your light that you can adjust anywhere imaginable. One high, one down to the floor, and one up. Adjust the sensor. 50-foot range, radius, 160 degrees. Place it up 10, 15 feet in the air for a larger throw of light. This is a light that will detect motion, and I hope you enjoy your product if it's right for you.